Hello guys, welcome to the new video, and today's video is going to be exciting because today I'm going to give you a beginner tutorial of ClipChamp by Microsoft. So until very recently I didn't know that ClipChamp was owned by Microsoft, but I know now, so it's gonna be pretty interesting. So if you want to download this software, you can download it direct from here, buy it from here. And one more thing you can do is you can just go to your Microsoft Store and download it from there. As for me, this software was already in my app, so I'm just gonna open it. And what I'm gonna do is see, this is the user interface of the ClipChamp software. It's pretty cool, and it has option to create a new video from scratch and record something. You can use your webcam, screen, or microphone. This is pretty much like OBS, so this is pretty cool. And there are templates you can work on: the intro outro template, Instagram, YouTube, social media, gaming, TikTok, video meme templates, which is really cool. So right now what I'm gonna work on is TikTok, and I'll just select this one because this looks pretty vibrant and I'm a foodie. So I'll just use this template, and okay, that's how it is. So those of you who have used Premiere Pro or Sony Vegas Pro or these kinds of software will know right away that this software is really user friendly and simple and easy to use. So the first thing I'm gonna teach you is that how are you going to split a video. Suppose this is your video and you want it to be split right from here. So you will just drag this here and press S. Now the video is split. Now if you want to delete this selected section, you will just have to click on delete and the video will be deleted. Now let's just say I want to delete this video also, just so that I can change the background of this text. So I'll just select this and then press delete button. Now to add a video here, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to select record and create and select a video from here. But if I don't like a video from here, I can just go to stop video. Now I'm just going to use one of the free to use videos from here. The first one looks pretty cool, so I'll just select it and then click on add to timeline. See, now the video has been added to timeline. I have to hold it and place it on its place right where I want it to be. Now look at it. Look at this. So the video has been added, but I have not set it the background. To do that, what I have to do is just hold this edge and drag it. Now hold this edge and drag it. Now the background has been set. Now one more thing that I'm gonna do is I'm going to align the video. I'm going to align these videos. So what I have to do is I'll hold this video's end and shrink it up till here. And I'll go to the other end and do the same, shrink it up till here just to align the whole video. Okay, now I'll just zoom out, and what I can see is that here is a gap which is not looking really good. So I'm just gonna zoom out, go up and select literally everything and drag all of these together towards the video to fill the gap. Now I will check that the gap is filled. Yes, now the gap is filled. So what I'm gonna do now is there is an option you will see here, fade. Now if you want, your videos transition to fade, you will just have to click on fade and set the fade in and fade out aspects. Now it will perform accordingly. You can set this fade in and fade out aspects in any part of the video. Usually this is done at the end. Okay, so now what the thing that will bug you is this watermark. So to avoid watermark, you have to choose a plan. Now this one is for beginners and this one is essentials plan for everyday editors. So watermark free exports. So watermark free exports is available in free for beginners plan as well and this as well. However, in free for beginners plan, there is a condition. Condition is videos using feature not included in this plan will be watermarked. Okay. It basically means that you cannot use any external thing. Export resolution 1080 pixel. Now here is free stock, this is premium stock, this is free filters in effect, this is premium filters in effect. Single brand, no content backup, and fully content backup. So if you are a beginner, this free for beginners plan is quite good, not gonna lie. However, if you want to like change the song or delete the song, what you're gonna do is you are going to select the song, press delete to delete the song. But if you want to add a new song, just go to music and effects and go to free to use. Now listen to the music of your preference and let's say I like this music, so I'll just hold it and drag it down to the timeline. Now the music has been added to the timeline, but I have to align the music also. So what I am gonna do now is zoom out and drag the timeline to there and hold this song's end and shrink it up till the aligned videos. Okay, and I'll shrink it from here as well. That's it. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to select all of this and drag it to the starting of the timeline, just so that there is no other gap related issue. Now last thing to do is export. Now obviously I cannot export in 1080 pixels because I don't have the premium, so I'm just gonna export in 720 watermark. Now it will just take few seconds and that's it. Thanks for watching the video, and if you want me to review or give you tutorial for any other software, just let me know in the comments, and thank you.